Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to be learning about the line command in AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a software which is used by engineers, mostly mechanical engineers, for designing and other purposes, and so we are going to be starting that. Firstly, I'm going to be teaching you about the line command, how to draw a line. So as you can see, um, let's start. In order to create a line, you could either click this option over here, or another way to do that is to type L and press enter. Then as you can see that it will ask us to specify a point to start our line. So we can do this either by clicking our cursor over any point we want. Like, see, I clicked over here and it started the first it made the first point from where our line has to start. And another option is that, again, line, you can press you can do it in the coordinate system. For example, if I type 2 comma 0 and press enter, you can see that it has started from this, which is 2 units to the right of the origin in the AutoCAD layout or screen. So this is another way. And to specify next point, you can place the cursor over any point that you want to make a line, the end point, or you can also again you can define another point. For example, I will write 2 comma 4 2 comma 4. So I don't know why exit. Wait a minute. 2 comma 4, yes. Oh, another point is that you can click this restrict cursor orthogonally, and so now the line will only be created in perpendicular directions, or like in straight or perpendicular. Like, it won't be made in an angle between 0 to 90 degree. So that is another. You can make lines like this. For example, let me create a rectangle for you. This is roughly a rectangle, and to escape the command you can press escape, and to undo the command you can press Ctrl Z. Like, did you see I pressed Ctrl Z over here? So that is how you make a line in a simple AutoCAD. Thank you.